A happy reunion outside the Michigan Reformatory Prison in Ionia this afternoon. A Detroit man convicted in 2005 for double murder and arson walked away a free man after a judge overturned his conviction. This afternoon, he spoke with Local 4's Rod Maloney. And Rod, this man has been proclaiming his innocence the entire time, and someone was listening.
Yes, and in fact, it was the Cooley Innocence Project. They now claim 28 convictions overturned. They're quite proud of that fact. And it's a situation where this case dates back to a DPD investigation 15 years ago. Tonight, Kenneth Nixon is a free man.
It was surreal, but once we pushed that door open and I saw those cars in the parking lot, just pure joy.
Moments before, Kenneth Nixon's Zoom court hearing had the Innocence Project saying,
"The integrity of Mr. Nixon's conviction has been undermined."
Back in May of 2005, this house fire on Detroit's Charleston Street took the lives of 10-year-old Raylon McCauley and his 18-month-old sister Tamaya Vaughn. A Molotov cocktail thrown into the home with a family of 6 inside at the time. Back then, Detroit police arrested 19-year-old Kenneth and his girlfriend Latoya Colford.
I was arrested and taken downtown. I had no idea that the crime had even occurred.
A jury acquitted her. Kenneth received life without possibility of parole. But the Innocence Project found the original ID from a 13-year-old boy and then a jailhouse informant were not reliable, overturning the conviction. The dead children's mother, Naomi Vaughn, did not agree.
Do not let him go. If anything, it should be a retrial. This is so unfair.
Nixon says he understands Naomi Vaughn's anger, but he's ready now to move on with his life. Says he earned his GED, spent years in the law library, which led to this scene outside the prison today. Tears of joy, happy smiles around, and a new sense of purpose.
You know, I want to get involved in the innocence movement in some capacity. I want to be able to help other guys and give back to the organizations that helped me, to the people that, were there for me. I want to be able to help them, reach back for, the next guys that are fighting for their freedom as well.
Now, Nixon told me that he is headed home. He was driving to his mother's home in Detroit. He says there she is cooking foods that he has not tasted in many years, and he's looking forward to that and the party and the excitement of his first night away from prison. Back to you.
I'm sure he is. Rod, did he say anything about his future plans besides after, he gets a full belly and that sort of thing?
Well, one of the things he did say is that all that time in the law library gave him a thought that perhaps he might go to law school, something he'll be looking at in the years ahead.
Yeah. Okay. Rod, we appreciate it.